This is the Bosch PST650 Jigsaw. It's a lightweight, compact design, easy to use and ideal for home projects and DIYs. One of the key features is the SDS jaws that allow you to change the blade easily without having to use another tool. This jigsaw has a built-in blower function to keep the cutting line ahead of you visible and clear of sawdust as you cut. There's also a dust extraction port at the back of the jigsaw which allows you to connect a vacuum to have even more dust control. This jigsaw has a maximum cutting depth of 65mm in wood, 10mm in aluminium and 4mm in steel. The jigsaw can cut miter cuts by adjusting the sole plate to the preset angles of 0, 22.5 and 45 degrees. The lock-on function is easy to access with your thumb or index finger whilst holding the grip with one hand, making it effortless to use. As you can see, the jigsaw comes in a lockable sturdy kit box with more than enough space for spare blades and accessories. Overall, I think this is a great jigsaw suited for home DIY use. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest product reviews as well as DIY projects.